The power of the daily walk. It might sound simple, maybe even a little boring, but in my experience, it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your body and your mind. Walking is probably the most accessible form of exercise out there. You don't need a gym, you don't need gear, you don't need a schedule, just choose and a willingness to put one foot in front of the other. You choose the pace, you choose the distance, you choose the route. It's scalable, it's free, it's therapeutic. And for me, it's become essential. Every single morning I walk with my dog. Sunshine, snow, rain, wind, fog, doesn't matter, we're out there. And it's not just a habit at this point. It's a reset button, it clears my mind, it gives me rhythm and structure. It reminds me that I'm alive and in motion. And here's something cool. Science actually backs this up. Getting outside into daylight early in the morning helps regulate your circadian rhythm. It improves your energy, your sleep, your focus. So yeah, nature knows what it's doing. Now, I'm Norwegian, and in Norway we're kinda known for loving nature. We hike, we ski, we walk. We even have this saying, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. And let me tell you, I live by that. Over the years, I've learned that if you're dressed properly, you can walk in almost anything. I've used the same brand of outdoor clothing for over a decade, Arc'teryx. It's Canadian, it's technical, it's expensive. But the quality, insane. You stay dry, you stay warm, and you stay outside. And when you're standing in the middle of an absolute storm and you're still comfortable, there's something empowering about that. Man versus nature, and I'm winning. Meanwhile, my dog is giving me the side eye because she is not wearing Arc'teryx and she's soaked and grumpy. By the way, if you're struggling to get yourself out the door, get a dog. It's the best accountability partner you'll ever have. They don't care if it's raining sideways. When they need to go, they go. My dog is a mix of a German Shepherd and an Alaskan Husky. She is basically a 30-kilo four-legged tractor. She lives for walking. Unless it's pouring rain, then she sulks and wonders why I look so happy about it. But here's the thing. These daily walks have become one of the most important forms of exercise in my life, right alongside rowing. They're low impact, easy to scale, and they give me exactly what I need. Clarity, consistency, and connection to the world around me. And if you're dealing with MS, like I am, then you already know how important movement is and how precious energy can be. Walking lets you move without depleting yourself. You can go slow, you can stop, and you can adapt. And sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply to show up, to get outside, to take the first step even when it's dark or cold or miserable. Because that's where resilience is built. One walk at a time. If this message resonated with you, or maybe made you smile, please consider liking, subscribing, or sharing. And remember, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad excuses. Thanks for watching.